Once again, I, Shyam Sundar Singh, an ex-serviceman retired from Indian Navy, welcomes you all to the another episode of Aankhein Kholo. Today in this part, we will set our focus on a very important topic called as leadership. First, let us understand what is leadership. Leadership can be defined as the qualities possessed by a leader which influence his subordinates or a group to pursue objectives held by him. As we all are aware that wherever there is a team, there has to be a leader, because no team can perform in a better way without a good leader. A team is defined as a group of people who perform independent tasks to work toward accomplishing a common mission or specific objective. Team can be very small or can be very big in size. Now let's see what are leadership traits. Leadership is an innate quality. Nobody is born with it. Leadership includes following qualities like honesty, ability to delegate, clear communication, self-awareness, gratitude, learning agility, influence, empathy, courage, respect, strong decision making, etc. Let's come to the importance of leadership. Leadership is an important function of supervision which helps to maximize efficiency and to achieve organizational goals. The following facts justify the importance of leadership. First and most important point is a leader is a person who initiates the work by communicating the plans and policies to the subordinates from where the work actually starts. Leadership provides motivation, guidance, confidence, builds morale, work environment, and coordination among team members. A good leader always plans his work in a proper way and directs his team to work accordingly to achieve the desired goal in a time-bound manner. As we are aware that in this universe everything is accountable and measurable, in the same way a true leader is always answerable and accountable to his team and also responsible for each and every steps being taken towards reaching the goal. Effective leadership is about executing the team vision and setting the tone and the culture for that particular organization. Leadership means creating and planning, securing resources, and improving errors. When leaders lack the ability to provide direction and motivation for team members, organizational culture and morale often suffer. Poor leadership is the root cause of high loss of productivity. One more important point to remember is that a dedicated leader always works with the sense of less talk, more work. He believes in the groundwork which is visible from outside to others, so that work accountability can be measured rather than only planning on papers. Leadership is an art which comes by very hard work and practice. All leaders must set an example of good leadership which help to motivate the people of their team, organization or any country. We can see that in any democratic country, the government has less control over how people spend their time and what they believe. People are free to join clubs, political parties, and other groups, whereas in a dictatorship, the government tightly controls all aspects of the state and will often ban or tightly control groups and meetings. Leaders of the world of any organization or country, particular, plays a most important role to achieve genuine happiness of its people. Good and capable leaders lead its people of their organization or country to a peace and prosperity, while the cruel and incapable leader bring people to the world of sufferings and ultimately ruin any organization or country. Let's be a part of good leadership so that any team, organization or country can progress in a better way. With this, I come to the end of this episode of Aankhein Kholo. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.